Scrambled Egg Pizza, where the eggs become the crust. We're starting with 2 eggs, which we're adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream, about an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, a little dash of pepper, and about an 1/8 teaspoon of Tabasco or some other hot sauce. Of course, you can add more if you like it hot. Get those eggs all whipped up. This is a supper that comes together super fast. Putting our stove on medium. 3/4 tablespoon to our pan. Go ahead and add our eggs. Keep those moving. As the bottom cooks, you'll push it aside to allow for the top to get to the bottom so that it can cook and you have a nice even layer of cooked egg. Add about a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And we're almost done, but we're still a little bit wet. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and add 1/8 cup of cheese. And then pop that in the broiler right quick to get that melted. Now that we have that pizza crust out on a plate, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle it with some cherry tomatoes and some sliced up salami and then some green onion and 1 scrambled egg pizza. You can serve this with a nice salad, some breadsticks, or whatever you like. So remember, cook for one, have some fun, waste none. If you're looking for more egg recipes, check out this playlist.